Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special video because we have Kay's Kingdom. Woo! I invite you guys to go subscribe to her channel. I will leave the link below, or I'll also put it right here. Go and subscribe to her channel, like her videos, and that really helps her out because, you know, YouTube kids, they don't really get promoted, especially if they're starting out. So you guys, let's get started.
This is the Morphe Jeffree Star. And she's gonna pick her color.
I get to pick?
Yeah.
Let's see. I think I want to use I like pinks, so we'll probably use those two. And do you want to use the silver one?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay. So what do you want to add first? So I got
on the crease, on the whole eyelid to prime the eye, and it looks like that. Give me the palette so I can hold it.
I did kind of like something.
It's okay.
There. That's good. And then I use over here.
Oh, it feels nice. She's actually very gentle with the
application.
It's okay with the application.
I still got some more.
She's very gentle with the application, and she's not rough at all.
So I got the cleaner for my brush to be clean. And
I think I got this from AliExpress.
use the primer to cut her crease.
Show it.
She wants silver.
Totally see.
Okay. Oh, good. Have I rub it? And I'm going to put it in her eyes. This is my best friend.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube fam.
Hi, YouTube fam.
Say hi, Glambies. Say hi, Glambies.
Hi, Glambies. Okay. So I'm gonna use this right here. I'm blending it out. I'm gonna use this one. There. Like that. I'm gonna use foundation. I'm done. I'm gonna use concealer. I'm gonna use setting powder. the bronzing
powder.
powder.
Let's see, open it.
We're gonna use blush. Tap, tap. Right here.
Good job. Nice.
We're gonna use the dust. We're gonna use the highlight. She did her own mascara. Now I'm gonna did her own mascara. Now I'm gonna put the lashes, the beautiful lashes. So I put her. I'm gonna do the fancy lipstick. Let me see. Now in the final review.
Let's check it out. Wait, now I need more light over here. Wow. Well, you guys, there you have it. You let me know if you guys would hire her. I would, for sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My makeup artist, Case Kingdom. You guys, I will link her info on the bottom, and again, I will show it right here.
I always wanted to do her makeup, and she said, "Oh, you're a good makeup artist," and she said, "Maybe on Monday," and
Yeah.
I'm like,
I'm gonna include after these some shots of the times that she's done her own makeup, and she looks super cute. Okay, you guys, this is it, and don't forget, go out there and live your best Glam Dolls life. Bye.
"Bye." Hey, Glambies. Make sure you subscribe
And give a big thumbs up.
and give us a big thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my mom's channel.
I'll see you in the next one.
Bye. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.